My name is Maury Cohen. I'm with Lowpro US, and I wanted to introduce our new Pro Roller X Series rolling bag. I'm going to show you some of the key features very briefly. The first feature I'm going to show you is called our Telepod handle. The extension handle comes out. There's an adapter that comes inside the case, which allows you to attach a camera or a flash unit to the case in an emergency. That's one key feature. This bag comes in 3 sizes. This is the smallest. All 3 have our TSA lock and go system. So for security, you're able to lock this cable through the zipper pulls and back to the lock, so if you need to keep the bag secure. And then the security administration has their own access key. All 3 models of the bag are tall enough for a pro digital SLR, such as the Canon 1D or Nikon D3. And if you're on a flight that has more restrictive limits on weight or depth on the bag, we have a system we call the reserve pack. It's normally zipped together, but you unzip this, take out the interior of the pack, and you can wear this as a backpack and have a slimmer profile for getting on smaller overheads. And the roller portion of the pack can be zipped closed and checked as a separate piece of luggage. So those are the key features of the new Pro Roller X Series. Thank you for visiting us today.